All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are back. It's your boy Ice, and guess what? You already know that this project right here is on fire. No pun intended, man. But welcome to Splassive. I'm pretty sure you guys heard about this project already, so I'm not going to bore you with the technical stuff. However, this is not financial advice, so don't come to me with dudes and all that weird stuff. So yeah, today we're at 33.8, man. We're almost at $34. In my mind, we at $34 right now. So if that's something you guys are interested, let's go. $34, man. You know what I'm saying? Now, when I made that $40 video, see, listen, I don't think you guys understand. This channel is about manifestation and materialization in the crypto and DeFi space. That's what this channel is about. Just in case I don't know what this channel is about. This channel is about manifestation. So when I make videos saying, oh, we're at a $40 token, I'm just gonna come back to the video and say, this is what I was talking about, y'all. You know, when I make a video and say I got a billion beans in the baked bean miner, yeah, I'm gonna just come back. Now look at this, y'all. Look at this chart. We started here. Well, I think I bought in like March, was it March 11th? But let's look at this chart. Just bump through the little sales, but the buys is just like, wow. Sell, boom, 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 boom. This is awesome right here. Like, do y'all like this? It is something you like, man. Let's go. The reason I gotta do this because you guys know my story when it comes to crypto. Recently I was rugged out of control on a lot of DAO projects, on a lot of miners, on some nodes, and I'm just sick of taking L's. Like I'm sure some of you, your favorite YouTuber got rugged. That's a fact. We all know it. So when we get W's, we gotta celebrate, man. I just choose to have a certain way I celebrate. I like to clap it up. I like to get hype, you know. So yeah, make sure you guys, you know, join the Telegram if you're interested in this project. Join the Twitter if you're interested in this project. You know, check out the chart. Check out the white paper. If you're looking to build a team, you need to buy you some Wave token. Do that here. You check the price here. You can check the chart here. I mean, they got everything you need right on the website. That's, you know what I'm saying? And I'm sure you guys know how to buy and sell as well. So that's another good thing. We're going to go ahead and refresh the page so we can see the price here. Boom. We're at 33.9, y'all. Now, the question I have for you guys is, did you want to sit here and let a guy like me win? Or are you going to get it popping? Which one do you want? Because growing up, I had to deal with, you know what, it's okay if these other guys win, but we're not going to let you win, though. No. We're not going to let you win. So do you guys want to sit here and let me win? And sit on the sidelines and just watch this? Or are you going to do something about it? If you want to do something about it, click somebody else's link that you like and join. If you want to get down with my team, click the link. Because matter of fact, I think it's airdrop day today. I just thought about that. I think it's airdrop day. Click the link and do your thing. Link will be in the description as well as the comment section. So we didn't create that refresh. Let's see where we at in the top. Because our 33.9, in my mind, I see 34 in my mind. I don't know what y'all see. But in my mind, I see 34. And look what your boy is at. Remember, guys, we put $1,000 in here, man. And we're almost at 17,000. So, you know, are y'all gonna sit here and let me do this? Yes or no? Because it looked like that's what y'all like. If not, you know, I clicked. Yeah, man, somebody put their link in the Telegram. I clicked on it and got up in here. The reason why that's important is you shouldn't be thinking that hard. You guys could have jumped in like 3, 4, 5 days ago when the price was at $15, $10. $8 and people was laughing. Oh, this is a scam. He don't know what he's talking about. Why support? Are you gonna listen to those guys or are you gonna listen to me? And if you don't want to listen to me, don't listen to them. I'd rather you listen to another YouTuber that's popping off. Now let's take a crack at something. Let's take a crack at this today because this is a good day. Splassive, the tap is a low risk, high reward contract that operates similarly. I got it. I sounded weird, but I still got it. to a high yield certificate of deposit by paying out 2% daily return on your investment up to 360%. So if that's something you're interested in, click the link. If not, we got some videos for you guys coming up. More and more videos. Airdrop video coming up next. That's going to be the next video. That's going to be probably in like 3 hours. So if you got any questions, hit me up on Instagram. Instagram is in the description. Leave a comment, leave a like, and I'll see you guys. I'm pretty sure that's all I have to say right now. Boom, 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 boom. Yep, I think that's it, man. Look, we had $34. I didn't let y'all run. Don't run. Now I told you, in my mind, I see 34. Come on, guys. This is a manifestation channel, y'all. So the title is going to be. You guys will see. You guys already saw it. So yeah. This is Splassive Network or Splash Network. If you want to get down, Splassive is heading up there somewhere. Some people call it the moon. Some people call it something else. But it's heading up there. Just know it's heading up there somewhere. I didn't say it. The chart said it, y'all. So if you don't like me, do you like the chart? If you like the chart, you know what to do. Am I wilding or not? Somebody type the word wilding. So if y'all gonna sit here and let me keep doing this, then be my guest. But we at 34 and we push to 35. I have a hot 7 more hours before I hydrate this. Click the link in the bio. Click the link in the description. I'll see you guys on the next video.